What if you could smash your credit problems using the AI chatbot? ChatGPT is a free tool you already have. Section 1. How to use ChatGPT to repair credit. Alright, let's break down the full strategy. Step number 1. Pull your credit reports from all three bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Annualcreditreport.com lets you do this for free. You need the whole picture. Step 2. Identify every negative account collections, charge-offs, late payments, anything hurting you. Step number 3. Compare all three reports side by side. Any mismatch is a goal. Example, if TransUnion shows 30 days late, but Equifax shows paid on time, that's an accuracy violation under FCRA. The key laws we will use: 15 USC 1681EB. Bureaus must follow procedure for maximum accuracy. 15 UCS 1681I. Disputed information must be collected or deleted. So this is the framework. Gather report and find every error and challenge them using FCRA, and use ChatGPT to do the heavy editing. Always mail disputes certified mail so you have proof. Ready to see this in action? Let's dive in. Alright, so let's go towards section 2, ChatGPT prompts to analyze credit reports. So as you're seeing that I have opened my screen, you just need to copy the prompt that I will be sharing with you in the description, and you can paste this over here. And this says, ChatGPT, I have one account reported differently by three bureaus. Identify any errors, like your Experian account, when it was opened, when was the last payment, all details, like it's showing over here. So last payment August 1 2020, 30 days late. Equifax opened January 1 2020, last payment August 1 2020, on time. All right. And TransUnion opened 13 January 2020, last payment July 20 2020, and 60 days late. So you just need to tap over here and you will see. So you can see over here that ChatGPT instantly flags the mismatches, open dates, and payment statues and timelines. You can see over here identified inconsistencies and possible errors, late payment date, etc., payment status, etc., summary of possible errors. And this is, now we have a precise list of what to dispute. So let's go towards section 3. So section 3 is crafting perfect dispute letters with ChatGPT. So the prompt over here is, ChatGPT, please draft a formal dispute letter to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax for whatever the creditor name is, account number, etc., etc., site 15 USC, whatever the sections are, which will be like written. You can just copy paste and like edit, and list the inaccuracies and demand correction or deletion within 30 days. All right. So ChatGPT generates a full legal style dispute letter. One second, let me show. Citing statutes, listing errors, demanding correction, and don't forget to attach your ID, a utility bill, and the highlighted report pages, mail certified. So here is the dispute letter. So with the statutes, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, phone, date, Experian, Equifax, all three bureaus, insert bureau address, and you can then review all these details, and this is ready. All right, let's go towards next section. So the next section is ChatGPT Goodwill letter template. I've shared all the details over here, and I have shared the, you just need to copy paste it over here. It says, ChatGPT, write a Goodwill letter to whatever the creditor name is for the account, etc., etc., missed a payment in July, like whatever it is. You can see over here your name, your address, city, state, zip, phone number, and etc., and Goodwill adjustment request to whom it concerns. So it will make the best Goodwill letter template. So ChatGPT produces a polite apology and removal request. Works surprisingly often. Real cases show success. Next is negotiating with debit collectors using AI. I have provided. You just need to copy paste. What does it say? Let's see. It says, ChatGPT draft a settlement letter to whatever the collection agency name is for $500 debt to offer to 50% pay in exchange deletion for my credit report. All right. So now you can see over here debit settlement and pay for delete offer. Your name, your address, city, zip code, phone, email, date, settlement negotiation department, and settlement offer for account and collections, and whatever. You can review it. So ChatGPT produces a clear, polite settlement offer and always gets agreement in writing. So let's move towards section 6. So using AI for credit utilization optimization. So I have provided the prompt. You just have to copy paste it again. So what does it say? Let's see. It says, ChatGPT, my credit card have these 3 balances and limit, whatever your is. Card number 1 balances and the limit is. So card number 2 balance and limit. Card number 3 balance and limit. And what should I pay down first? You need to ask the ChatGPT. All right, now see. So the ChatGPT is telling you that you need to pay the card number 1 first. All right, so that's the biggest help you can get from the AI. So then it will tell that next pay down the second card, and the third card is fine. So the best target level it's telling you, so that's the best thing. Okay, so let's move towards the next and the last thing, which is personalized credit building plan. So I have also provided the prompt for that. So you just need to copy and you just need to paste it over here. It says that ChatGPT, I am whatever your age is, with whatever your credit score is, with whatever the debt is, and whatever your budget is monthly. You can tell ChatGPT over here, and also tell him that create a 6 months credit repair plan. So this is how it shows 6 months credit repair plan, general guidance, your age, your details over here, month 1. Okay, the ChatGPT is telling you to pull the call credit reports, and you can see over here. So you can review it, and GPT outputs a detailed roadmap, disputes, new credit and utilization strategies, limit increases, monitoring, and long-term habits. Now we are going to discuss common mistakes when using ChatGPT for credit repair. First, don't send generic letters. Second, don't use templates that don't match your actual report. Third, attach ID plus proof of address. Fifth, always use certified mail. And the last, double check all legal claims. Your attention to details matter. And now we'll see real success stories. People have reported 2 collections deleted, 1 late payment corrected, and Goodwill letter approved. Score jumped in 30 to 45 days. All using AI drafted disputes and letters. If they can do, you can do also. Beyond credit repair, AI for personal finance. Use ChatGPT for budgeting, lowering bills, explaining financial concepts, building side hustles, and building long-term wealth plans. For example, using these prompts. Plan me a monthly budget to save $500. Write an email asking my internet company to lower my bill. Explain compound interest in simple terms. Then give me 5 side hustles to make $200 a month. GPT is free 24/7 financial coach. So there you have it, a full step-by-step system for using ChatGPT to repair your credit and supercharge your finances. Now it's your turn. Fire up ChatGPT, use these prompts, and start rewriting your credit story. Drop a comment with your progress or question, and hit like and subscribe for more real money tools. This is Mitra. Thanks for watching.